guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas day 21 and I just wanted to do a sit down, like kind of talk with you guys video, particularly about Vlogmas. I know this is a video that is usually done like the last day of Vlogmas, but since it is the 21st, I only have like 4 more vlogs coming out in the month of December because I am vlogging up to the 25th, which is obviously Christmas. I know some YouTubers vlog all the 31 days of December, but to me the whole reason why you're vlogging the month of December is because of Christmas and the days leading up to it. So after Christmas I don't really do anything anyways. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of talk about my thoughts on Vlogmas, how I managed it, and just some tips and tricks if you are looking into Vlogmas next year or something. Okay, so I will say that I did really enjoy creating the 20 videos that I did for you guys. I think it was a really fun challenge and just very unique because obviously I've only been doing YouTube for like about a year. So I was not used to this whole creating content every day thing. And honestly, after doing this, I give so much credit and credibility to the bigger YouTubers or just any YouTuber in general that has completed Vlogmas or that's done Vlogmas or puts daily vlogs up, because that is a struggle, and I'm just saying congratulations because you have really dedicated your time and your effort into doing YouTube. I'm not saying I'm a big YouTuber or anything, but I just know that it's way more than what I thought it was when I started. It's way more than just sitting in front of a camera and talking, which is what I honestly thought it was before I started. I feel like the main reason why Vlogmas was so difficult for me was because I do like to put lots of time into editing, and I feel like that's the main part of YouTube because that's what kind of makes the video look good and kind of finalizes it. And that is why I bring up the reason of pre-filming. I think that is something that really got me a kickstart in Vlogmas and kind of helped me out a lot because I did not know what I was in for. The videos caught up to me so fast. I literally started filming back in November. And before you know it, it was Vlogmas day 5 and I was out of videos and I actually had to film from there on out. Some days I would film 2 videos a day just because I wanted to kind of catch up and be ahead again. So yeah, not only is it tricky because I wanted to put lots of time into editing my videos and making them look good, but I am a student, I go to school, and I know some YouTubers that don't go to school. They have kind of YouTube as their job, and they're really kind of like a full-time YouTuber, and they couldn't even complete Vlogmas. And I'm not saying that's like anything bad, because I do understand that filming and doing this every single day consecutively for weeks is super stressful. And I literally learned that because this was my first Vlogmas ever posting every day for more than a week. Tip number 2 is try to make videos that are short, sweet, simple, and kind of to the point. Not every video you post has to be over 10 minutes. I feel like the longer the video is, the longer time it takes to film, and the more time it takes to edit. I know I've been seeing lots of comments recently on you guys wanting to see a updated what's on my iPhone, and I definitely will do that, but I didn't want to include it in my Vlogmas series just because I know that that is a video that requires a lot more editing. Like you have to put a screen on a screen and screen record it and match it up with like you were talking on the footage of your camera, and it would just be a more difficult video and require a lot more time than just like a sit down talking video like this. Tip number 3, I didn't do this yet, but you could always go on live if you're kind of like out of video ideas or don't have enough time to edit, and you just need like a quick video for that day. I think going live is honestly really great way to interact with your fans and kind of talk live with them. And then obviously after your live is done, you can choose to keep it up publicly and just label it day whatever. But tip number 4 would be to have some sort of schedule or alignment of when your filming would be, when you would edit, and when you would post, obviously if you wouldn't want to do that at night or something. Now obviously this is something that is very hard to do if, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you are a student or go to school, because at least for me the most ideal schedule would be to film around like 11:30 to 12ish or even earlier than that, edit throughout the day, and then post by the nighttime because it's kind of spread out and gives you like your time and your space to yourself. But since I go to school, my schedule was kind of go to school, get home at like 3 o'clock, film immediately till like 4 o'clock, edit from 5 to 6 if that's like a short video, and then post by around 7 o'clock, which obviously isn't really ideal because you're at school all day, you want to get home, kind of rest, take a break, and you have to hop on filming YouTube, which I didn't really mind because in my free time what I would be doing when I get home from school anyways is filming. I love filming, I love editing. I've just always been into video making and creating and things like that. Tip number 5 is something that I personally did. I think it really helped me out a lot, was to have kind of like a plan or a guide of what you want to do on certain days, just so you know what your uploading schedule is going to look like, and just so you can be a little bit more prepared for the video that you're going to be filming, so it's not like last minute. So for example, I could say, oh, I want to film like a winter lookbook on day 3, so I know like that I could pick out the outfits prior to that day so I don't have to rush and put even more stress on myself. I know that I had a whole note in the notes app of videos that I wanted to film and things that were kind of easy to film and things that I kind of had to prepare for. Just so like if I was busier a certain day or if I had like a doctor's appointment or something, I don't know. I just knew that I could always go to filming these like quickly right off the bat and I didn't have to prepare for them. So that is all of the tips I have for you to kind of help you out with Vlogmas and things that I kind of learned along the way, since this was, like I mentioned, my first time ever consecutively posting this many videos in 1 month. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy my Vlogmas series. I'm really curious to know. I hope you guys did. I really tried to put as much time and effort into my Vlogmas videos as I could. Comment down below what your favorite Vlogmas video of mine was, because I'm curious. And as always, definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications. Usually I say because I have a whole bunch of more vlogs coming out for Vlogmas, but you guys, we are nearing the end. But yeah, I love all of you so much, and bye guys!